Today we are here at Solid Skills Learning, teaching a student how to lay his first slabs. Before we train him up on how to use the easy slabber, we are showing him how to prepare the sand manually. As you can see, this takes a lot of trial and error and can be initially inaccurate, as well as time-consuming, whilst also leaving the slabs unstable. This is a solid effort for a first attempt. However, we shall now observe the process being repeated, but this time using the easy slabber. With only 2 hours training on learning how to use the easy slabber, we can already see a big difference in the quality and speed of the process. As we can see, these slabs are now being laid at a near enough professional standard, all being fitted at an accurate level with minimal gaps. There is much more to learn to take his skills to an industry standard. However, this process is clearly accelerated and made much easier with the help of the easy slabber.